Welcome back to my channel, folks. Today I'm going to show you a few tricks to speed things up if your PC is running slow, so let's get started. Step 1. Let's clean up the disk. In the search bar, type disk cleanup and run it as administrator. Check all the boxes and click OK. The disk cleanup time will depend on your machine. Step 2. Let's fix the startup items. Right-click and go to Task Manager, then select Startup Apps and disable any apps you don't need. Click Start, go to Run, type, and click OK. Go to the Services tab, disable all Microsoft services, and then disable any services you think you don't need from the list. You can disable them all if you want, and then click OK. It may ask you to reboot. You can skip the reboot for now. Step 3. Click Run again and type %temp%, then click OK. That should take you to the Windows temporary files. Select all and delete them. If some files don't delete, you can skip them, that's fine. Then, in the Run box again, type Prefetch, allow the permissions, select all, and delete them. Again, skip any files you can't delete, that's absolutely fine. After that, empty the recycle bin. Step 4. Go to the Control Panel, search for Power Options, and make sure you have High Performance selected, or anything other than Balanced. Power users can select High Performance. Step 5. Go back to the Control Panel, click System, then Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings, choose Adjust for Best Performance, and click Apply. Now you can reboot the PC, and it should be much snappier than before. So that's it, those are a few tips I wanted to give you to speed up your lagging PC. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.